Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to fix the issue where ChatGPT is unable to upload your files. This is usually caused by a few specific limits or browser glitches, so let's get right into the solutions. First, you need to check if you have hit your plan's upload limit. As of 2026, the free tier is very restricted, often allowing only a few file uploads per day. If you're a Plus or Pro subscriber, you generally have a much higher cap of 80 files every 3 hours. But keep in mind that OpenAI may lower this during peak traffic times. If you see an error message about a rate limit, the only real fix is to wait for that 3-hour window to reset. Next, verify the file itself. ChatGPT has a hard limit of 512 megabytes per file, but for spreadsheets like Excel or CSV files, the limit is much lower, around 50 megabytes. If your file is too large, you can try compressing it or splitting it into smaller chunks before uploading. Also, make sure your file is not password protected or encrypted, as ChatGPT will fail to read those for security reasons. If you're uploading a scanned PDF, you should run it through an OCR tool first to make sure the text is machine readable. Then you should troubleshoot your browser. Outdated cache files or problematic extensions like ad blockers and VPNs are the most common culprits for upload failures. Try opening ChatGPT in an incognito window to see if it works there. If it does, you need to clear your browser's cache and cookies. In Chrome, just go to your settings, find Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data for all time. Finally, check your internet connection and the official system status. An unstable internet connection can cause a file transfer to drop midway through, so try resetting your router if your speeds are low. If everything on your end looks perfect, head over to the official OpenAI status page to see if there's a known issue with the file upload service. Sometimes the back end simply gets overwhelmed and you just have to try again after 10 or 15 minutes. And that's it. One of these steps will almost certainly get your files processing again. If this troubleshooting guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.